Yes.
The question on the board says, Shalom Kol if an indigent collects tzedakah.
Okay, apologies. Could you start your question again? 1 second. Don't start. Okay, I think. All right, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi. So the question on the board goes, Shalom Kol if an indigent collects tzedakah at night and knocks on the door of a single woman, should the woman open the door and give tzedakah? Is she obligated to do so?
No, that's an amazing question. No, she's not obligated. Maybe he's a tzedakah collector, maybe something else. Maybe he's pretended to be a tzedakah collector. No, she's not obligated. Because of this modesty and security reasons, yes.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. That's a very good question.